Yeah, hi, Plushies. Did you have fun at movie 6 Hotel for Vacation movie? Mini adventure? It sure is. Well, nice job. I'm so very happy for you. We got some toys from Bishop Price, Jax, and Balance Mobile from Baby Newton. Which I'm going to do this soon. So yeah. Here's Mario Kart, Mario RC Racing Toy from Nintendo, which I got in Sabers and Black Snap. And it says the Jax Pacific in February 2016 on switch to yeah, it works fine. There you go. Like a driving still. And the batteries is not working. So yeah. Look at that. It's racing. Right, here's some Rocket Stack. Says by Fisher Price. Some Language Nursery. It has the red ring, which is the shaky, the orange ring, the yellow ring, the light green ring, and the light blue ring, which plays a clip compilation in black. You have a Russian counting 1 through 20, and Kulam, everybody clap hands of Hebrew. And now it's the Happy Circle by Balance Mobile from Baby Newton. It spins round and round we go, which is a large version. Look at that. It fell off. Cool. Alright, Plushies. That's the end of the video of toys. We're looking at this from the Sabers and Etsy. I hope you enjoyed that video, so please give a thumbs up, click the subscribe button to actually go anywhere from YouTube channel, and peace out. See you guys next video. Bye.